Yeah, gas and then total choke.
Yep. So the kill switch just quit working on my saw.
Side chain.
So right here
Chainsaw repair. Yeah.
is the catch for the off.
Oh, okay.
And it rotates forward and it actually locks off.
This is something new that we've
none of
learned.
us even knew it would go to.
Yeah, the kill switch or the off switch has a lock position. Okay.
It cams over and locks. So,
right. So
I don't know what to say.
We'll see if
put it back together.
Put it back together and see if it works.
3 screws.
All right. So let's see if that kill button works, because. Oh yes.
Got it back together. That's
all right.